Stop drawing ugly architecture diagrams. Here's how developers are creating clean system diagrams in seconds, using Mermaid and AI. Mermaid is a text-based diagramming language. You just type a few lines of text, and it instantly becomes a beautiful system diagram. Flowcharts, sequence diagrams, cloud architectures, everything. If you've ever wasted 30 minutes dragging boxes around in Lucidchart or Figma, Mermaid fixes that. It's fast, clean, version-controlled, and actually fun to use. Here's the magic. This tiny snippet, user, API, database, can turn into a full architecture diagram with layers, connections, and structure. And you don't even have to write the Mermaid code yourself. Just ask your AI. Create a Mermaid diagram for a cloud system with a front-end, API layer, queues, workers, Redis, and Postgres. It will generate the entire diagram for you. You copy it, paste it into VS Code, GitHub, Notion, or Mermaid Live Editor, and you're done. A complete system design in under 10 seconds. Mermaid is perfect for backend APIs, AI agent workflows, DevOps pipelines, microservices, or documenting your next app idea. No design skills needed. Try it today. It'll change how you design systems forever.